What's up, guys? It's Rob. We're in the car today. Got Kayla, our lovely assistant. A blown tweeter. It's been blowing for a little bit now, but that's all right. SoundQubed's been fucking out of stock for the last like 3 months for some reason, but you know it's all right. Hdc4 18's back there. Like I said in one of the last videos, we're gonna be rebuilding the back, doing a flat wall. Driver's side port, but that's like later on, time to come. I got to get like a more stable place to do like the work for it, but it's coming. Something else we did was we put a new bumper on the car today. I didn't get that on video because it was like my first time ever putting on like an aftermarket body part, and I was kind of figuring it out as I went along, but it came out pretty nice. Let me go show you guys. So as you can tell, that's not the factory Ford Focus bumper. I think it looks a lot nicer. I like the way that the bumper looks. I have a front one that's the same style, and some side skirt panels that I'll be throwing on, you know, right over here. But I'm not putting those on yet. I got to get some of the steel mesh stuff that's over here for the side skirt panels, because for some reason Duraflex didn't supply that with me. And then we got a front bumper as well. We'll be putting on. But the outside of the car is actually starting to look half decent. Got all of our stickers up here. We got the dropping hurts over there. Scar in the SoundQubed. I'll open the back up. We got, you know, one tweeter, one 6.5 per. I was telling you guys the Hdc4 18's back here. They slam. This tube here is actually pretty funny. This is actually connected to my under-seat AC. And that is going into the trunk on the amps to help cool them off over the summertime when it gets really hot. And there's one Soundstream 3K, other one's back there behind the batteries, and then 3 XS Power XP2000 batteries. Like I said, I just put all this on just a little bit ago, so trunk's kind of a mess. We got a lot of pollen, some fiberglass laying around. And then back over here, kind of hard to see, but we got the Soundstream, not Soundstream, Scar Audio 150.4 4-channel amplifiers. We have 2 of them, and that's just powering everything. Kayla's gonna help us out, help record, so you guys can see some flexing action, because I got to keep the engine revved up because I'm having a slight RPM problem. I'm trying to raise my idle RPM so I don't have to, when I'm demoing, sit here like this to make sure the car voltage doesn't drop too low. I would like it just to sit here idle at like 1,000 RPM, a little bit higher, like 1,100, right around there would make me very happy. But you know, because look at that, it's just staying at 14.3. That's wonderful. And then I let it go and it starts to drop. So I'm trying to find a fix for that. up, guys? So I hope you enjoyed the bass demo video. And funny story, at the end of that video, when that white Hyundai Tucson pulled up at the end, alright, this guy rolls down the window, starts fucking screaming at me. And this isn't like a cop or a public safety or anything like that. Just some random redneck dude starts screaming at me, calling me a douchebag, and like he flips the fuck out. So I'm like, whatever, guy, I'm going home anyway. Yeah, so whatever, I get all my shit set up, I get in the car, I go to drive off. The fucking guy starts like following after me, right? So I go out of the parking lot, I cut a couple cars off so he couldn't keep following me, and I took off, yeah, because I had just put that bumper on my car literally like 20 minutes before, and I was like terrified this guy was going to do something that was going to fuck my bumper up, because I just put it on, and obviously all the other, you know, work I've put into the car, but that's kind of what I was thinking. And when shit like that happens, I just kind of think to the worst. But this guy was going off. He was so upset that I was sitting there playing music. And like I was in like a public parking lot. It was like a ShopRite parking lot off of like a main road. And I was like all the way in the back of the parking lot, away from like all the businesses and everything. And it wasn't even really that many businesses. It was like it was the grocery store and then like two other small ones, whatever they were. And the guy, like, just flipped the fuck out. I just couldn't believe it, because, like, I was so far away from, like, everyone that, obviously, I knew people could hear it, but I didn't think anybody was going to get that angry about it. But it happened. It was pretty funny. It made for a good story. But I hope you guys did enjoy the video, and as always, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and all that cool shit you guys do for me here on YouTube. It's Rob, and I'm out. Peace, guys. I hope you enjoyed.
I got my own weed, sucker, so I ain't gotta hit yours. I'm talking straight endo.